The customer brought this custom PC right here because this custom PC is dead, aka no power. And this is what the customer wrote. I'd like to get a diagnostic and possibly repair on my home-built computer. So the customer built this computer. The whole tower went black all at once, possibly due to air conditioning related power surge, and power doesn't seem to be reaching the motherboard. So I suspect it's either a PSU issue or a dead motherboard. But I would like a professional to take a look. Huh, thank you for calling me a professional. I appreciate that. Alright, so what I did earlier, I took the fan off to get an access to the motherboard so I can unplug that power cable right there. And this is what I see when I took that fan off. See right there? All the dust that has been accumulating on the computer. And it's a really thick layers of dust right there. Dust everywhere. Alright, so let's clean the computer and remove all the dust from this computer. Some people use a blower or duster to blow the dust everywhere. But this is what I always use. A small handheld vacuum cleaner to suck the dust from the computer so the dust won't blow everywhere. Alright, let's turn the filter on. And with the brush and vacuum, I'm gonna suck the dust out of this computer. And look what I found while cleaning it. Ew! A cockroach! A dead cockroach! The radiator looks cleaned. Alright, so the PC is cleaned. It is fixed and ready for the customer to pick up.